Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Welcome to our video today. Today we have a big spring job ahead of us, and it's going to be dividing this huge ornamental grass here. So if you have ornamental grass that it has overgrown its spot, maybe it's too large, or maybe you just want some new free plants, then early spring is a really great time to do so. So we do have another video out on dividing it in the fall, another wonderful time to divide your grasses. But I want to talk a little bit more about timing, and then we're going to get right down to it and show you how to divide this beast here. So I love free plants, and when you are dividing your plants, it's a great time to get some babies. You can share them with friends or put them in another garden in your yard. So that's a wonderful thing. But you're also doing your plant a favor. You're rejuvenating it. So you can see how crowded here, and maybe we can get a close-up of how crowded this grass is here. Sometimes you'll see that there'll be an empty spot in the center, a little donut here, and that's also a sure sign that it's overcrowded and it needs to be divided. So timing, pretty important for dividing your grass, and that is when it's dormant. And so that is why we also have a video on doing this in the fall. So that's another wonderful time to divide it. So dormancy means that the plant is not actively growing. So you can see it's just beginning to, so it's got a little bit of green here. So we're right on the cusp, but early spring is another wonderful time to divide your grass. So the how. So I just want to give you some tips before we get started here. And number one is you want to prep your grass, so you want to cut it down. So grasses are pretty great in that they're not really that finicky on when you cut them back. I have clients that like to cut them back in the fall because they can be a little messy in the winter, or they're just purely getting a head start on their spring gardening tasks. Or you can leave your grass its plumes for the winter because it provides a nice nesting material for our feathered friends. So this one was already cut back in the fall, and that is actually the very first step before you divide your grass, is to cut it as low as you possibly can. So we're going to get started, and we're going to walk you through some other tips here. You're going to see Josh in the video because this is going to take a lot of muscle here. Okay, so for options here, you're going to want to take your sharp shovel, and sometimes I'll use an edging shovel for this, but Josh does have his favorite shovel here. So as long as it's sharp, you should be good to go. So he's pulling the mulch away because he's looking at his options for dividing. And the two options are to dig out the entire clump of grass and then divide it while it's out of the ground, or just try to take a big chunk out of it and leave the rest in place. So you're going to want to get as many roots as you possibly can, and it's okay if you do cut into some of them, but start digging around 6 to 8 inches away from the base of the grass. Okay, at this point, you can chop it up now that it's out of the ground. Chop it up with your sharp edging shovel, or sometimes you need an axe or a saw. So that went pretty well. And we're going to try to divide it into 4 clumps and put one back. Okay, Josh made that look really easy, right? sometimes it's not that easy. And it also depends on, like I said, the timing. So another reason why the timing is so important, it makes your life a little bit easier. So look how healthy the roots are here. And that's the next thing that I want to quickly mention is it is important to get a nice root system because we have free plants. So in fact, we have 4 of them and they're pretty good sized chunks. So free grasses here. So that's it for today. We're going to replant one of them in the same spot here, and then our client here is going to have the other 3 to do whatever she pleases with. So it's pretty wonderful. We have our grass in great shape and some free plants. So thanks for joining us today. If you liked the video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we have lots more gardening coming your way.